Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. The 2025 GT3 RS takes the already aggressive 911 design and dials it up to 11. The massive front wing, prominent side skirts, and swan neck rear spoiler scream aerodynamic efficiency. Functional air vents channel air for optimal cooling, while the wider fenders accommodate wider tires for enhanced grip. It's a design that prioritizes downforce and performance above all else. The interior of the GT3 RS is a masterclass in minimalist functionality. Luxurious materials are replaced with lightweight Alcantara and carbon fiber for weight reduction. Bucket seats with racing harnesses keep you planted during high-speed cornering, while a stripped-down dashboard prioritizes essential driving information. Let's be honest though, you'll be spending most of your time focused on the road ahead, not the interior amenities. One important update for 2025 is the inclusion of a digital instrument cluster that offers customizable data displays, allowing you to see exactly what you need on the track. Performance. Here's where the 2025 GT3 RS truly shines. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated, high-revving flat-six engine, expected to be a further evolution of the 4.0-liter monster from the previous generation. Our figures haven't been officially revealed yet, but rumors suggest a significant bump, potentially exceeding 600 horsepower. A lightning-fast PDK dual-clutch transmission handles gear changes, while a lightweight chassis and advanced suspension ensure razor-sharp handling and exceptional responsiveness. The GT3 RS prioritizes pure driving thrills, offering an unfiltered connection between driver and machine. Unique selling points. The 2025 GT3 RS biggest selling point is its unparalleled track performance. It's a car built for pushing limits and achieving lap times that would make professional race car drivers jealous. The combination of a powerful engine, lightweight construction, and aerodynamic design makes it a force to be reckoned with on any circuit. Another unique feature is the available Weissach package. This lightweighting option replaces even more components with carbon fiber, further reducing weight and enhancing performance. It's the ultimate upgrade for the most dedicated track enthusiasts. Dressing concerns. The 2025 GT3 RS is not for the faint of heart. Its stiff suspension and stripped-down interior make it less than ideal for daily commutes or grocery runs. Additionally, the price tag for this limited production machine will undoubtedly be astronomical. Conclusion. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is a car for purists. It's a celebration of raw power, precision engineering, and the pure joy of driving. While it might not be practical for everyday use, it's a dream car for anyone who craves the ultimate track experience.